Guys, I see two dogs fighting right now, and I'm finna see you. And today's video is y'all gonna see them, but I only can see one dog right now. Alright, I'll give y'all the view. There's a person right there making a burger. There's one dog. Oh, full screen, full screen. He's looking at me. Yo, bro. Now I'm scared. I should did the video, but it just began. I'll show you guys. See what over there. Oh, there he is. See the blood? I can't see him. I can. Oh, right there. Yo. The dog. Right there. Why is it out the person? Oh, the dog is right there. I'm gonna call her.
I'm delighted to see you. Wonder a glass, Mr. Merville. You'll take a glass of sherry? Well, it's Manzanella, San Luca de Maravilla. Always tastes much better in company. Discerning company, that is. Do you want a glass of sherry? Splendid. Sit down. I once knew a Johnny who requested dry Madeira before luncheon. He wasn't asked again. 8 months later, he committed suicide. I don't say that it was on that account.
Can I see it? Oh, here he is. I can see him.
Thank you, Badger, thank you. You're quite well, I trust. I'm in excellent health, sir.
Yo, what other? There he is. There we go, the stupid jeep. There he is.
Criminological material has been distressingly
Uh-oh.
Perhaps Mr. Merville has brought us something. No, I don't
Stuff
think so. Sorry to disappoint
is
you,
getting
but,
really bad now.
nothing of an undesirable nature is involved. The fact is, a curious question has arisen with regard to the sad death of General Spectre 10 days ago at Dover, to which I understand you were a witness.
No.
No, thank you. I didn't witness his death. I witnessed the discovery of his death, which is a very different thing.
Smell his footprints.
Well, perhaps you'd better tell me a little more about your curious question. How much do you know of the late General's gentleman's family affairs? Oh, very little. He was a widower, I understand. His wife died in early life. She was never strong, and replaced her by the military regularity which the General brought before her instructions. Just providing best funds, Captain George Spectreman. George, I know. And Major Robert. Robert, I've met.
Oh, smell his footprints.
Yes, the old man.
I do not know where
Poor George inherited the weakness
Bro.
straight from his grandmother, I'm afraid.
Bro, I cannot believe it.
George and I were brother officers in our levels.
The dog is gone.
Hung about on the barbed wire, watching his best friend Julian Rushbank's Peter
Look at the other one. I have to get. So y'all can see it, right? Can y'all?
I too, as I think you know, suffered a nervous breakdown at the end of the war.
No, I do not see it. Because the other dog went to go smell footprints. I'll pick you back on the video when they're back, okay? Peace out.